I'm Dorian from Malongo, and I'm going to show you how to clean the sensors. So the machine, so first of all, just lift up the cover, and the machine has two sensors, one on the left side and one on the right side. You know the sensors are dirty when the machine does not recognize that there's a pod here, meaning either the pod stays on the top, either it's going straight from the top to the bottom. Now the easy way to clean the sensors is with the usage of a Q-tip. So make sure the two sides are pressed in order to fit into the sensors. First, take one side, put some hot water on it, and remove the excess. Then you're gonna insert the wet part first into the sensor, and you're gonna rub it in order to try to remove the coffee dust. When you're done with the wet side, you flip it, use the dry part, and just repeat the process. When it's over, just close the cover. Don't forget to repeat the process as often as necessary. Thank you.